Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I want to tell you something. I want to ask you something. What if I tell you that you are just 30 failures away from your success? You are just 30 failures away from your success or your goal. Not 30 steps away, not 30 miles away, just 30 failures away. How would you see failure? Would you still be afraid of the failure or you would start chasing it? Sounds so great, right? I know. When I realized this, I was like, wow. For example, you want to be an entrepreneur. You're just 30 ideas away from achieving what you want in life. Just 30 ideas away. You want to be a writer. You're just 30 articles away from publishing the beautiful article or the most successful article of your life. Okay, talking about love. You are just 30 dates away from meeting the right one. So, if you understand this now, would you still see failure as something bad? Because we have been conditioned in this way. We see failure as something which is bad. But failure is never bad, it is just a checkpoint. What's the difference between you and the successful people in life? It's just when they fail, they do not take it on their heart or they do not think that, oh, maybe it's not meant for me. They just work on it. They learn from their mistakes, they gather information, they gather feedback, and the next time they improve themselves and they reduce their one failure and they get closer to their success, they get closer to the number of failures they have achieved. So, if it is making any kind of sense to you, I hope you are understanding because when it came to my mind, I was like, wow, it's so beautiful. It's so beautiful because failure is never meant to make you feel bad. It is there to teach you where you are lacking. Okay, and the number of times you fail is the number of times you have opportunity to improve and be a better person. And when you will reach the goal you would want to achieve, the success you want in your life, you would be a totally different person. You started from here, you went here, failed, went here, failed, went here, failed, and you reached there. In all this journey, you have learned so much, you have gained so much of experience. So, even if I'm telling all this, it might take you a while to process this in your brain, but please think of it deeply. What if I told you you are just 30 videos away from becoming a good YouTuber? You would start posting more regularly. What if I told you you are just 30 miles away from whatever point you want to reach? You would, instead of walking, you would start running. So why not you run towards your failures and chase them rather than chasing something else? Go and chase your failures. Don't be afraid of them. Don't hesitate. Don't flinch. Your failures are the best thing which can happen to you. You are just 30 dishes away from being a good chef. Sorry, I'm fumbling a bit, but this is what I mean because I'm very excited. When I get excited, I just cannot speak very fluently. But this is so amazing. Just the concept is so beautiful. You are just 30 days away from getting into the shape you want. It just requires 30 days of consistency. It's so good. The thing is, when we fail one day, we just don't work on ourselves and we give up and we think this is not meant for us. For example, you start going to the gym. You go the first day, you go the second day, you go the third day. All these days, you don't see any result. But you are just 30 days away from starting to seeing the result. But what we do is we give up early only. We think, oh, gym is not meant for me. Oh, I'm not losing weight. But it will only happen when you will see those 30 failures. 30 is a hypothetical number, but I hope you're getting the concept. I hope you're getting the concept. You are just 30 things away in your life from like whatever you want to achieve. Please don't be afraid of failures. Please don't take it on yourselves. Don't take it very personal. The people, the failures, whatever. Keep on working for whatever you want. That's it. That's what I wanted to say. And I hope it made sense and it helped you. And please don't be afraid of your failures. And yeah, that's it. Thank you.